here with a quick tip. I got this pewter vase from Goodwill years ago, very cheaply, and underneath it's got this maker's mark that is, according to eBay, the thing is very expensive. So make sure you look at thrift stores for anything you might need, first of all, before you go to big box stores or somewhere else. I love thrift stores. And hello to our friend Alfonso out there who works in a thrift store. Hello in Colorado, my friend. All right, now I just want to tell you, remind you that you can take a vase like this, and I have like pebbles. These are kind of decorative rocks, if you will, decorative rocks, but just any kind of rocks from your driveway if you want to, I guess. But any kind of something like that that can actually be put in the bottom for decoration if your vase is clear, or your jar or whatever. But if not, it also serves as something sturdy to kind of stick, just hold your stems. But I am not trying to have some fancy decoration today. I am just trying to preserve these stems, at the same time just have something nice to set on the counter. Need to cut this. So I just thought I'd share with you how I do this, and I only have two things right here. I have some evergreen, some pine, they're both evergreen, and then I'm just sticking these in here. These are cut from our tree. Pine is such an invigorating smell. And then I have these hollies that we got from my Aunt Linda's house. So thank you to Aunt Linda for sharing. Mr. Patient went over there to the farm and got those for me. And I'm just kind of sticking these in here. I do have other things I probably could use, but I'm just keeping it simple and keeping this greenery fresh. Then I have my tree food that I'm going to pour in here, or cut flower food, whatever you want to call it. Recipes at our website. I'll leave the link down below. We use this for our Christmas tree as well. I'm just going for a simple rustic look this year with everything I'm doing. Nothing fancy, not pretentious. You could add a bow or not. Merry Christmas. I love and appreciate y'all. Check out our links down below if you would like to support our small business.